So I gotta practice pulling, dog.
Yeah.
You can start walking out of the holster. Alright, this is where things might get a little bit.
Hey, hold me a little bit like I'm a little girl learning to ride the first time. Okay, ready?
Patrick Evans goes to the top.
Yeah, he overtakes Parsons here.
Patrick Evans,
Big whip, looks all the way back.
easily the most improved rider this year and maybe the best.
Dude, racing just destroys boots. It sucks so much.
Yeah, how did the two-stroke go?
Oh, I got smoked. I had the worst arm pump of my life in the first moto. I almost was gonna pull off, but I knew if I did, like Kenny from Fast House would just think I'm such a But I just haven't been riding tracks like at all. I've been like working out, so I thought I'd kind of be like fine, but just nothing makes up for being on the track, you know? Second moto was fun. I actually rode a lot better, but
What'd you end up placing?
oh, I don't know, like 8th or something or 9th.
That's not horrible, though.
No, it was pretty bad. I didn't ride that good. I got all kinds of excuses.
Just destroyed the
Just making sure I
screen.
don't get that security deposit back. Ozzy, can you please kick? I'm usually I've been like pretty healthy, but I woke up kind of late. Griffin's filming, like. We'll eat some avocado toast later. Might go for it. Some people buy Lamborghinis, some people buy Ferraris. Like, you never lose that feeling when you turn the corner and see like, wow, that's actually mine. And I get that feeling with the Red Rocket every time. Let her warm up a little. All right. Can't forget the sound system for the Rocket. Head unit might have gone out. I've realized. Really makes a big difference, like EQ wise, where you place the JBL speaker, because you got to make sure you get like the right reverb kind of bouncing off. That sounds a little too high right there. Yeah. Right there.
What is it exactly?
It is 666,420 pound. You know how it is, man.
Did you bring a generator to charge your e-bike?
No, I just been plugging your power again. There's locks on this.
Start charging power, dude. There's no bullets or nothing in it. I go get my CCW tomorrow, so I gotta practice pulling, dog.
Yeah. Don't be a wanky and just point at everybody.
Oh, wait, with your finger on the trigger at
And
all
safety
times.
off.
Looks like a fucking rap video.
So scary.
Just a little despot.
Give me that shit, bitch.
Your next cowboy.
You can start walking out of the holster. Out here?
Fish him. Not good, but yeah.
I had a good
yeah, I shit, but yeah, good to see you.
That was gnarly. I don't know how you didn't smell that. There he is. Culprit. Alright, we're taking apart what's gonna be the quarter pipe bike for X Games. Go through it, frame it, get like powder coated stuff and de-suspension and everything, so.
All organized and shit on the microfiber.
For me, like I'm doing pretty good. X Games.
We get what we fucking deserve. You think your fellow minds could learn.
Alright, this is where things might get a little sketchy. For everyone asking about cell phones on the Stark, because obviously they come stock with like the bar mount. This is the only thing that you need to take out of like the bar mount that comes on the Stark, and I just mounted it right there with, I think these are command strips. Then a couple zip ties just to be extra sure. Alright, heading out for the second session of the day. I'm gonna go meet Bruizer out at the Metal Mulisha compound, which is super nice because it's like 10 minutes from my house, and it's a beautiful evening to be out and maybe kind of do some weed whacking and help out around the compound a little bit, try to keep it nice, you know? What a champion. The weed whacker broke.
Weed whacker is sitting over there in the other shrubs, doing nothing for me. But we got manpower. Patrick is completely fine, but not doing anything because he's gonna ride.
Well, I'm filming. I'm gonna help in a second.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm kind of scared to go into the super kickers. I don't know what's in there. Dragon Slayer might be in there, dude, for all I know. The sterilizer? Dude, to the deck maybe it wouldn't be that bad, but man, there's no way I land it. Oh. Hey, hold me a little bit like I'm a little girl learning to ride the first time. Okay, ready? We're gonna slowly go. Okay, I got it. Are you still holding on? Oh! Compound right there. Maddos house right there. Going out there? That looks like one's out. Sam's old foam pit was right there. I guess Deegan's. Then old Metal Mulisha compound.